Hi. Let's do an experiment today. Let's freeze the video and let me explain. There's always an issue or problem which creates dizzy spell or giddiness while viewing 3D VR video. This is caused by lower frame rate or subject in the video having duplicate frames, which is slower than left or right side of the raw 3D video. Our brain reads that we are already having a dizziness, hence which creates the uncomfortable feeling. Having a better camera which allows 60 frames per second does eliminate most of the problem causing the dizziness, hence a better VR experience for the viewers. However, with trying out a number of videos created by Insta360 Evo, which is currently one of the best budget 3D video camera, I found out that as long the subject or movement is not from left to right or right to left, duplicate frame don't exist, because the duplicate frame is behind or in front of the subject, which actually remove the problem where the frame rate is 30 frames per second. Without the duplicate frame appearing left or right of the subject, there will be no fizziness image created, hence our brain reads that as a correct and steady human eye vision. Okay, this is a short clip I have recorded to test out the theory. It consists of two parts. Let's play the video. Let me pause the video. Do you encounter any headaches, dizziness when she is walking or running towards you? If you do, you are actually more prone to be easier to have headache in a 3D environment in all situation, so please stop watching and get a good rest. If you do not experience any discomfort, let's move on. Let me pause the video here. Do you encounter any headaches, dizziness when she is running past you from the left to the right side? You should feel a little discomfort and not that much because the duplicate frames lasted just a 2 to 3 seconds. Why am I doing this test and why am I showing this to you? Because this is one of the biggest problem most 3D VR creator encounter, and I think I like to share this tip with you and hope it can enhance the experience by VR users and VR creator. I'm going to create more experiment on 3D VR video and share the findings with you, so stay tuned. Alright, I will replay this short clip again. Enjoy. Hope this clip benefit you as a VR creator like me. If you like what you watched, please subscribe, like and comment.